Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 308 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Ease of Flow, a moment to release resistance and move gently with life. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body soften like water finding its path, smooth, natural, and effortless. There's no need to push forward. Just breathe and allow. Now, say to yourself, I move with ease. I trust the flow of my life, and I let go and allow peace to guide me. Each breath becomes a gentle current, carrying you toward calm and clarity. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the present moment and carry this steady, peaceful flow into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.